Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and Ps5 system updates so you avoid compatibility issues. Once done, plug the Barracuda X into USB-C and insert the wireless dongle into the Ps5 front USB port. This forces console recognition. Make sure the headset has at least a 30-minute charge or battery above 20% before pairing, because low power can cause failed syncs. Finally, power on the headset and watch for the pairing LED. This tells you the unit is ready for the next. Once the dongle is recognized, go to Ps5 settings sound and choose the USB headset labeled Razer as your output device. This routes game audio to the headset. Next, set output to headphones. All audio so chat and game sound are unified. Then configure the microphone input level and side tone so you hear your own voice and avoid clipping. Too high causes distortion. Make small adjustments while testing in a party or game to balance voice clarity versus ambient sound. Finish by testing both party chat and in-game audio. This confirms chat mix and mic pickup behave under real conditions. Once satisfied, lock in any EQ or mic settings using Razer Synapse on PC or the mobile app when available, because firmware and profiles improve clarity. If you experience no audio or one-way chat, try the quick fix. Remove and reinsert the USB dongle, power cycle the headset, and reboot the Ps5. If that still fails, reset the headset per Razer instructions as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.